Good morning, all of you. I am Ravindra Sharma. First of all, I am very thankful to board member of International Journal of Engineering and Applied Sciences for select my paper in this journal. As you know, that today I am going to present my paper regarding of photonic crystal fiber, and my paper ID is IJEAS 01020006. In this paper, we have designed a new photonic crystal fiber. This is called the honeycomb photonic crystal fiber, and in this paper we are trying to calculate the nearby zero chromatic dispersion. So today I am going to discuss about this photonic crystal fiber, means HPCF. As you know that what is the photonic crystal fiber. In the recent time, the photonic crystal fiber had attracted much attention because it exhibits many unique optical properties such as single mode operations over a wide wavelength range, large waveguide chromatic dispersion, or a high degree of the freedom in design. Nowadays, research is carried on photonic crystal fiber, means PCF, which is also called the holy fiber. The PCF have the center region called the core surrounded by the periodic air holes which work as the cladding. The PCF technology is used to create a fiber with high nonlinear coefficient and zero chromatic dispersion. Most photonic crystal fiber PCF have been fabricated in the silica glass. This is the basic criteria. This is the basic information of photonic crystal fiber. Now we are going to share the screen of the photonic crystal fiber and our paper IJEAS 01020006. So let's start, and I am going to share the screen and try to explain our paper regarding the HPCF. The title of paper is Design of HPCF with nearly zero flattened chromatic dispersion. There are three authors in this paper. The first and corresponding author is Ravindra Kumar Sharma, and the second author is Sunil Sharma, and third author name is Shambhu Dayal Sharma. Here we have considered an air silica honeycomb lattice and demonstrate a new approach to a formation of a core defect. The honeycomb lattice has recently been suggested for the formation of a photonic bandgap guiding silica core. Here we discuss how a core defect can be formed by the manipulating the cladding region rather than the core region itself. There are so many difficulties occur during the design process because when the parameters are being changed, the designing varies accordingly. For this purpose, we have used the HPCF, means honeycomb photonic crystal fiber, in scalar effective index method, and consider chromatic dispersion in HPCF for having air hole diameter 1 micrometer and pitch 2 micrometer. The maximum pitch can be considered as 5 micrometer and air hole diameter is 9 micrometer. Transparency boundary condition TBC is proposed here for the calculating of refractive index of PCF. In this paper, the optical properties of solid core HPCF with different up or down doping levels are considered. The doping level of the core adds new freedom of solid core HPCF design. In optical communication, dispersion plays an important role as it determines the information carrying capacity of fiber. Therefore, it becomes important to study the dispersion property of PCF. The optical properties of PCF have been used like effective index method, means EIM method, scalar effective index method. The SEIM method is used for weak guiding approximation and accurate approximation. In the SEIM method, the value selection of effective core radius of the PCF is important for the accuracy. The accuracy of this method is worth investigating as the weakly guiding approximation in the SEIM method is made invalid by the large index contact between silica and air. In SEIM, the effective cladding index of a hexagonal unit cell, which consists of a fiber rod, is calculated with respect to rod diameter and pitch. Then the effective index of PCF is obtained by using the effective cladding index. In this method, consider the effective index of silica is neta core is equal to 1.45 micrometer and the effective core radius is apparatus effective is pitch oblique 3 की power 0.5. It is considered that the triangular PCFs can be well performed in terms of a V parameter, and from the V parameter we have. It is clear from the figure that as the air filling fraction increases, the credibility of the SEIM reduces as the difference between the refractive index of a silica and the refractive index of a fundamental space filling mode increases, which is the foremost requirement of the weakly guided approximation. Dispersion. It is the phenomenon in which the phase velocity of a wave depends on its frequency. From the calculation of the dispersion for the various combination, we have find that the proposed honeycomb PCF structure is designed as shown in figure number 3. This is the figure number 3 proposed structure of honeycomb photonic crystal fiber. This structure is designed for 7-layer structure and having diameter is equal to 1.0 micrometer. The 2D mode of field pattern is proposed honeycomb photonic crystal fiber. Now figure 6 shows comparison of effective refractive index for consist pitch is equal to 2.0 micrometer. There are 3 type of patterns. When the diameter is 0.5 micrometer of this structure, means HPCF structure, then the curve shows in the black line. When the diameter is 1.0 micrometer in the HPCF, the curve shows in the red line, and when the diameter is 1.5 micrometer, the curve shows in blue line. After the calculation, the carried out for constant air hole diameter, but this time pitch is varying. Figure 7 shows refractive index for constant air hole diameter having varying pitch. There are different type of pitch. Pitch is 1.5 micrometer to 3.0 micrometer and the diameter is constant. There the diameter is constant is 1.0 micrometer. Now figure 9 shows the comparison of the chromatic dispersion of proposed honeycomb PCF when pitch is 2.0 micrometer. Figure 10 shows the comparison of the chromatic dispersion of the proposed honeycomb PCF when air hole diameter is 1.0 micrometer. There we have mentioned the different type of pitch. Pitch is equal varying from 1.5 micrometer to pitch 3.0 micrometer. Now the conclusion is the result so obtained gives that the dispersion calculated for honeycomb photonic crystal fiber using the scalar index method gives the best result in compare of other structures. Here we have calculated the dispersion of various data, but it shows that when we consider air hole diameter 1 micrometer and pitch 2 micrometer and select the 7 layers, then it gives the best result. The fiber parameters are optimized to yield best agreement with available data. The discrepancy observed at higher wavelength value is due to the fact that the refractive index of the silica and the effective cladding index are wavelength dependent. Thank you very much.